I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the phoota projector with a contrast ratio of 5000 to 1 and a native resolution of 1080p. As we speak, the projector has a price tag of $150 at Amazon. It comes with a power cable, an algo cable, and a remote control. This projector does not has any Wi-Fi or Android included, so if you're looking for anything that can do that, this may not be your choice. The image quality for this projector is okay. It's pretty good. It's perhaps better than some of the mini projectors that you will see there with a lower price tag. For being a 1280 by 768 native resolution, I was able to see a clear image in the projector.